Yes, LinkedIn for lawyers to leaders. I am energized about today's video, so let's make it happen. All right, I'm going to share my screen here. In today's video, we will go through one creative and strategic way that you could research opposing counsel to get some intel, to inform strategies, inform tactics, inform engagement plans with opposing counsel and, candidly, with any competitor in the broader scheme of making progress on a specific legal engagement or a business solution. So let's show you how this works. First off, we will navigate as a first step to LinkedIn homepage. By the way, I see here in my home feed, that actually is very terrific news from a friend of mine in Africa about the World Bank. Okay, that's fantastic. So I'll just take a minute to like this. All right, let's make this happen. So once you navigate here to the home page, you would go to settings and privacy at the top here. And really what we are angling towards is we surreptitiously, strategically, inconspicuously, creatively want to research opposing counsel or a competitor. So we'll change here our profile viewing options. So you'll hit change. Again, this is under the privacy tab, and you'll scroll down to how others see your LinkedIn activity. And then you would select the private mode. And you have a couple of different privacy options. Again, you can go sort of full transparency with name, job title, location, or something a little bit less exposed, or to something completely private. That's what you see here. So once we set this, we are now in business. We go back to the home page, or I can just navigate back to this tab I already had open. And now I am in a position to research individuals, research companies, research specific opposing counsel contacts. And I'll show you what this looks like. So right here where you said who's viewed your profile, if you click that, all right, so this takes you to all the folks that viewed your profile. Now, all of these individuals were in full non-privacy mode, so to speak, right? But I'll show you one here where this individual was in more of an incognito view. Let's scroll down here, and you'll see what that looks like. I think it was a couple months ago. Found this again. This is a quasi incognito view. I'll show you kind of a full incognito view here. It's a couple months ago. And now this is how, from this quasi incognito view, this is how your potential competitor, your opposing counsel would see this, right? So they would not have the specific data point or a specificity of law firm or company or organization that you're attached to. They'll just have this generic thing. And then you, from your perspective, can really dig into any number of research nuggets as it relates to that individual. So learning about the individual. For example, I have here a vice president, looks like. I'm gonna go into her profile. And this is fantastic because now I am viewing her profile in privacy mode, and she's in it. Looks like a senior professional at Bank of America. I get to see her activities. I get to see her features. I get to read about her experience, all in private mode. In addition to that, related to this competitive intelligence research here, I also get to see who else has viewed her profile. So it may also be interesting for you to find information on opposing counsel as well as who else is looking at that information. And I see here. So this is how you get this done. Again, a creative and strategic way to get info on opposing counsel or competitor to really drive your next steps of engagement. Thank you. Again, I believe gratitude is undefeated, so I really appreciate your time. Thanks.